What's up, guys? Getting ready for the car show. This is my 2012 C300. I got my 2014 out because this is a lengthy process and I don't have any room in my garage. As you can see, I stay busy on all kinds of projects. You know what I mean? But I'm polishing this thing up and I'm gonna do a coat of, where did I put that stuff? I'll find it here in a minute as I walk around and talk. But at any rate, so I don't know if you guys can remember that scratch that I had in my clear coat a while back. However, we're gonna walk along the car here and you can barely see it. I mean, this is a 5,000 lumen light, so it would have to be awfully freaking bright out for you to see it. But at any rate, this is what I'm doing. I'm in the process of polishing this bad boy up. I'm using, at first I used, to get that scratch out, this stuff right here. Sorry about the dizziness there, but so it's pretty good stuff. And I used a white foam pad, which is right here, to apply that. It's the best to use it. And then to apply it, I mean. And then I'm using a orbital, 6-inch orbital here, with microfiber towels to use this on the back side. So a drill with the white foam pad and the compound, and then this to come back behind it. And I've touched up the headlights. Man, those headlights are 12 years old. I mean, come on, they look good. So I'm gonna take you for a little walk around. I've done so far. I've done the hood, the roof, the trunk, the back side of the car, the passenger side. All I got left is the driver's side. But I mean, keep in mind, 12-year-old car, okay? Or I'm sorry, I say 12, 14-year-old. I forgot, my other one's 2014. So, and look at the paint. The front was, the hood, the fenders, and the bumper were done last year because of a deer hit. That's how I purchased this car. But the rest is a factory finish. It's got a good blend. So I'm just gonna walk around and show you what's up real quick. Yes, the windows are dirty. I know, don't worry, it's all gonna be cleaned up. The tires are dirty. I got a car show this weekend. I got a lot to do, but I want to show you my progress and what I'm doing. It's not a perfect example, but it's very close. The paint does have flaws, once again. 14 years old. I've not done the driver's side yet. So what I'm gonna put on it is right here. This stuff is $300 or $400 a gallon. So, and it's just a renew system. So that's for my blue bends this year, after I clean it and polish it up. And it's for this car. It does work very well for cars that have not been ceramic coated. So that's what I'm using there.
lies that destroy the minds of youth. I saw my fate in a loop reply. Choked on hope, but I still ask why. Sleepwalk, searching through a war unseen. Wound stitched up with a TV screen. Another prayer lost in the static hum. Another soul with nowhere to run. Every night's another maze, every day another stage. Trying to separate the actor from the anger and the rage. Everybody says they're awake, everybody claims they see.
Look at that reflection. That's a good polish. I like it. Look at that trunk. That's original paint there. That ain't.
If this is reality, then tell me why your band's why every nightmare keeps returning as another one begins.
It's got a good gloss. Wait till I put this shit on it. It's gonna be beautiful. I'll keep you guys tuned in. Later.